Hello students, I am Chetna Sharma. Today I am going to talk about the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is a verb tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point in the future. For a better understanding of the concept of the future perfect continuous tense and its functions, imagine yourselves at a point in the future. Then talk about a continuing action which leads to this point. So basically in this tense we put ourselves forward in time and talk about the continuation of an action till this point. For example, she will have been studying for only 4 hours when the alarm goes off. Another example, I would have been giving my final exams by next year. As we are talking about the function of the future perfect continuous tense, it is important to note that this tense emphasizes the duration of an activity in the future that will be in progress before the occurrence of another activity. That means here we are projecting ourselves forward in time and looking back at the duration of an activity. অসমীয়াত বুজাব গ'লে এটু কালত আমি সময়ৰ লগত নিজকে আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাওঁ আৰু এৰি অহা সময়ত আৰম্ভ হোৱা এটা ক্ৰিয়া বা কৰ্মৰ কাল দৈৰ্ঘ্যক দেখুৱাওঁ। যেহেতু আমি ফিউচাৰ পাৰফেক্ট কণ্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্সৰ কথা কৈ আছোঁ, ইয়াতে কণ্টিনিউয়াছ শব্দটো আছে। সো যেটো ক্ৰিয়াৰ আমি কথা কৈ থাকোঁ হেতু ক্ৰিয়া একেৰাহে চলি থাকিব যেতিয়ালৈকে আন এটা ক্ৰিয়াৰ আৰম্ভণি হয়। আৰু এই গোটেই কথাবোৰ আমি ভৱিষ্যকালৰ কৈ আছোঁ। For example, we will have been cleaning the house all day by the time she returns. Here, the continuing action is cleaning the house. The duration of the action is the entire day. And the second action that begins, which marks the end of the continuing action, that is cleaning, is the arrival of a lady. The part saying she returns. Another example, in April she will have been teaching for 12 years. So here the duration is 12 years. So you see, the important thing is this tense talks about the duration of an continuing action. But not always it is necessary that there are two actions involved. ক্ৰিয়াৰ কাল দৈৰ্ঘ্যটা দেখুৱাটোৱে এটো কালৰ মেইন মানে ফাংচনটো হ'ল আৰু সদায় যে দুটা একশনে থাকিব হেনেকা একো কথা নহয়। সো এখিনি আপোনালোকে বুজাৰ বহুত মানে দৰকাৰ। যদি এটো টেন্সটো ভালকে বুজিব চেষ্টা ৰাখে এটো সহজ হয়, অলপ ট্ৰিকি হ'ব পাৰে, কনফিউজিং হ'ব পাৰে, কিন্তু ইজিয়ে হয় এটো বুজিবলৈ। Now let us learn about the structure of the future perfect continuous tense. The formula for the future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. The formula for the negative form is subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. For example, I will not have been studying. And the interrogative form of the future perfect continuous tense is will plus subject plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. For example, will you have been eating vegetables for 3 months? Question mark. So students, this was all about the future perfect continuous tense. With the end of this video, we also come to the end on the lessons of the tenses. But make sure that you do not give up on your practice and keep learning. Thank you so much.